Okay, question number 3. An object is released from rest in the gravitational field of the earth. Air resistance is negligible. What does it say? It's negligible. How far does the object move from during the 4th second of its motion? Okay. He's asking you what is the distance moved by the object in 4th second of its motion. See, when you say about 4 seconds, you can put n equal to 4, t equal to 4. But when you say 3 seconds, it is 3, t equal to 3. But when you say 4th, okay, this th, okay, which means that you should find out what is the distance moved by the 4 seconds and 3rd seconds. In between them, what is it? Okay, see, this is the path. This is a t equal to 3 seconds. This is a t equal to 4 seconds. He is asking you to find out not the distance starting from, okay, from 0 to 4. He is not asking this distance. He is asking you this distance over here. So how do you find this? So what you need to do is you need to find, okay, what is S4? What is S4? Subtract S3 from here and get the value for it. Okay, that's what you need to find. Okay, now since object is going released from rest means what? U equal to 0 in gravitational field, which means now you can find S4 is equal to ut plus half gt square minus what is S3 here? S3 will also be the same, which will be ut plus half gt square. Okay, you will have something like this. But what is the difference here? I cannot cancel both of them. The difference here is that u is equal to 0 always. Okay, you can cancel these two, it goes away because u equal to 0, not because I am cancelling here. And then here I am going to substitute t equal to 4. So this should be half g into 4 square minus half g into, what is this here? 3 square. 3 square. So how much will this be? This will be half into 10 into 4 square is 16. I take common here, half g minus 3 square is 9. So which should now be equal to 2 1s are 2 5s are. So 16 minus 5 is 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. So which should be 5 into 7, which should be equal to 35 meter. So this distance should be 35 meters. So answer is C over here. Okay.